I'm Jeffrey Zapanta. I'm based in Antipolo and I own a travel agency. It's Travelmaker Travel and Tours. We do leisure tours for international and local uh, tour packages and destinations. Nalaman ko ang HBC Wellness through Miss Len and also Sir Albert nung nag-attend sila na chapter meeting namin kasi we're part of this business organization. And from there, I was able to know yung mga services nila, yung mga products nila, and that located din pala sila sa Marikina. So, naging curious ako kasi I don't know, I'm not really familiar with the therapeutic massages. Parang ang alam ko lang, mga the regular massages lang before. Pero when I get to know HBC Wellness through Sir Albert and Miss Lenny, mas nagkaroon ako ng idea about the therapeutic massages at hindi lang siya basta-basta massage. Kaya mas alam ko ngayon na mas nakakatulong siya when it comes to pain relief and not only that, long-term pain relief. Well, medyo marami-rami na ang services na na-avail ko sa HBC Wellness. And I must say na yung quality of the service is really high. I'm really satisfied every time I go here. Yung relief na nararamdaman ko when it comes to, different types of pains na nararamdaman ko kasi meron dito sa likod, sa neck, meron dito sa arms. I've tried yung cupping, I've tried yung different services nila when it comes to massages. And I must say na every time or after yung mga massages nila, the therapy sessions, yung relief, talagang ramdam siya and hindi lang siya naglalast for a few days. Kaya medyo matagal bago makabalik because nakaka-relief talaga siya. And I must say na you get the value of your money dun sa mga services na you offer. I will definitely recommend. Actually, every time din na meron akong mga kaibigan or family or even friends, colleagues na malapit dito sa Marikina, I refer them to HBC Wellness. Lalo na dun sa same age bracket na nakakaramdam na ng mga sakit-sakit sa katawan, and also the busy professionals, the busy business owners na walang time for relaxation and all, I refer them to HBC Wellness kasi I know na they're really in good hands. So for those na malapit and also those who are in need of therapeutic massages, punta na kayo sa HBC Wellness. They are located in Manila. And makakaasa kayo na all their services are of high quality. And you can also bring your own families, your parents, even your friends pag pumunta na kayo dito para ma-experience niyo yung relief from pain to power.